Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how much you can withdraw from a Novo ATM. Now, I know that this might seem like a pretty basic question, but I actually get a lot of questions about it. So, I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the specifics, I want to talk a little bit about Novo. Novo is a neobank that offers a variety of financial products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. One of the benefits of having a Novo account is that you can use their ATM network to withdraw cash for free. So, how much can you withdraw from a Novo ATM? The maximum amount that you can withdraw is $500 per day. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. You can only withdraw cash from your checking account. You can only withdraw cash in increments of $20. You can only make a maximum of 5 withdrawals per day. If you need to withdraw more than $500 in a day, you can do so by using a different ATM or by contacting Novo customer support. Now that you know how much you can withdraw from a Novo ATM, let's talk about some of the other benefits of using their ATM network. Novo ATMs are located all over the United States. You can use your Novo debit card to withdraw cash from any ATM in the world. Novo ATMs are free to use. Novo ATMs are safe and secure. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to withdraw cash, I highly recommend using a Novo ATM. In addition to the above, here are some other things to keep in mind. If you withdraw cash from an ATM that is not part of the Novo network, you will be charged a fee. You can use your Novo debit card to make purchases at stores and restaurants. You can use your Novo debit card to pay bills online. You can use your Novo debit card to transfer money to other people. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Novo ATMs, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Here are some additional tips for using a Novo ATM. Make sure that you have your Novo debit card with you. Enter your PIN number correctly. Be aware of your surroundings and make sure that you are in a safe location. If you are having trouble withdrawing cash, contact Novo customer support. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.